So when we're looking at all these different continuities, there's one of the things that we can talk about that's maybe just a little bit confusing, and that is identifying continuous functions. So a function is continuous if and only if it is continuous at every point of its domain. And so the key phrase here is every point of its domain, because what happens is a lot of things that we would say are discontinuous are actually continuous functions. A continuous function does not need to be continuous over its entire interval. For example, y equals 1 over x. Y equals 1 over x. This is a continuous function because it is defined for every point in its domain. Okay? What number is not in the domain here? 0. X cannot be 0. That's the only place we have an asymptote. And since that's the only place we have an asymptote, then that's the only place that we're discontinuous. And if that's the only place that we're discontinuous, since 0 is not in the domain, the function is continuous, okay? So the key thing, the key phrase, the key part of the world here that we need to understand with these types of questions is, are you continuous over the entire domain? And if the answer is yes, then it is a continuous function.